Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will listen to a long and powerful story called Keep Focus on Yourself. This story will help you improve your English fluency, learn natural English expressions, build vocabulary, practice listening skills, improve pronunciation, think positively and confidently. This is not only an English lesson, it is also a life lesson. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Adam was 26 years old. He worked in a small office in the center of the city. Every morning he woke up at 7 a.m., took a shower, drank coffee, and rushed to work. His life looked normal, but inside Adam was unhappy, very unhappy. The problem was not money, the problem was not work, the problem was his mind. Adam spent too much time watching other people's lives. When he opened social media, he saw perfect photos. People were smiling on beaches. People were buying expensive phones. People were opening businesses. People were getting married. People were traveling around the world. Every day, Adam asked himself, why is everyone successful except me? Slowly, comparison became poison in his life. At work, he compared salaries. At the gym, he compared bodies. At restaurants, he compared lifestyles. Even with friends, he compared personalities. When someone succeeded, Adam felt smaller. When someone achieved something, Adam felt like a failure. And the worst part was this: nobody knew. Outside, Adam smiled. Inside, he was fighting a silent battle. The dinner conversation one evening. Adam visited his parents for dinner. His mother cooked his favorite meal. The table smelled wonderful. But Adam could not enjoy the food. His father noticed immediately. You look tired, his father said. Adam forced a smile. I'm okay. But fathers often understand more than words. After dinner, Adam and his father sat outside near the garden. The night air was cool. For a few minutes, nobody spoke. Then Adam finally said, I feel like I'm behind in life. His father looked at him calmly. Behind who? Adam sighed. Behind everyone. His father smiled sharply. When I was young, I also thought like that. Adam looked surprised. You did? His father nodded. Yes, I compared myself to richer people, smarter people, more successful people. What happened? His father looked up at the stars. One day, I realized something important. Comparison never ends. Adam listened carefully. His father continued. If you buy a small house, someone else has a bigger one. If you buy a car, someone else has a faster car. If you become successful, someone else becomes more successful. Then his father looked directly into Adam's eyes and said, if you keep watching other people's lives, you will forget to live your own. Those words stayed in Adam's mind all night. A quiet decision. The next morning, Adam woke up earlier than usual. The sun was just beginning to rise. For the first time in many months, he did not touch his phone immediately. Instead, he sat quietly near the window. The city outside was slowly waking up. Cars moved through the streets. Birds flew across the sky, and Adam asked himself an important question. What kind of life do I really want? Not what social media wanted, not what society wanted, not what other people expected. What did he truly want? The answer was simple. He wanted peace. He wanted confidence. He wanted discipline. He wanted to feel proud of himself. That morning, Adam made a quiet promise. I will stop chasing everyone else's life. I will build my own. The difficult beginning change sounds exciting, but real change is difficult, very difficult. The first week was hard for Adam. He tried waking up early. Sometimes he failed. He tried exercising. His body hurt. He tried reading books. His mind became distracted. He tried staying away from social media, but his hands still wanted to check his phone every few minutes. One night, Adam became frustrated. He looked at himself in the mirror and said, "Maybe I cannot change." But deep inside, another voice answered, "Keep going." And that changed everything because successful people are not people who never fail. Successful people are people who continue after failure. So Adam continued. At first, it felt strange, but after some time, he noticed something beautiful. His mind became clearer, his stress became smaller, his thoughts became calmer. For the first time in years, Adam started understanding himself. He discovered what made him happy, what made him anxious, what truly mattered in his life, and slowly solitude stopped feeling lonely. Building discipline months passed. Adam developed new habits. He woke up early. He exercised regularly. He read books every day. He practiced English every night. He stopped wasting hours online. Some days felt easy, other days felt terrible. There were mornings when he wanted to sleep longer. There were nights when he wanted to quit. But he remembered one powerful truth: discipline matters more than motivation. Motivation changes every day, but discipline continues even when emotions change. And because of discipline, Adam slowly transformed. His body became stronger, his mind became sharper, his confidence became real. He improved his skills. He applied for new opportunities. He studied harder. And during difficult moments, he reminded himself hard times are temporary. Months later, Adam found a better opportunity than before, and he realized something important. Strong habits help people survive difficult sessions. Become your own hero years past. Adam continued growing quietly. And in that moment, Adam realized how far he had come. Years ago, he needed guidance. Now he could guide others. The world will always try to distract you. People will always show their best moments online. Someone will always look richer. Someone will always look more successful. Someone will always seem ahead. But remember this: comparison steals peace, focus creates growth. You do not need to become better than everyone else. You only need to become better than yesterday's version of yourself. Move slowly if necessary, but never stop moving forward. Protect your peace, protect your focus, protect your future. And always remember, the strongest people are not the loudest people. The strongest people are the people who quietly improve themselves every single day. Thank you for watching this English Graduate Reader lesson. Practice listening again and again. Repeat the sentences aloud. Share the pronunciation and continue improving your English every day.